if you want to go to a college and you need financial assistance, then you need to make sure that the college you're going to is recognized by the governments of the provincial and federal governments in Canada as meeting all of the required quality standards, that they're accredited by the BC provincial government, that they have a designation agreement with BC Financial Aid, which then allows people from across the country to apply for student aid. So there's very high standards that are applied there. So we're fully accredited by the Ministry of Advanced Education of British Columbia as a college, which looks not just at our programs but also at our administration. We have a designation agreement with Student Aid BC, which allows people to apply for student aid in any province in Canada to come and take our programs on-site or distance. We also are recognized for funding through Work BC retraining programs. We have people who have come in with Health Employees Union training, BCGEU, the BC Government Employees Union funding, First Nations band funding is fairly common, Métis Association, and all of those organizations are looking for is the stamp of quality that's given to us by basically the BC Ministry of Advanced Education through their accreditation and through their EQA standards, which is the highest level of quality college can attain, and which also allows us actually to take students internationally if we wish to.